Hello everybody, YouTube, Image Line forums. Welcome again. This is a new version of the Akai Mpk3 Mini. This time I came with very new stuff. I did 4 different programs that you can change and you can play with. The first one, it will be the FL controller. This is the classic, between quotes, the classic MIDI control that I did on my first release. It's almost the same. I have some differences in this mapping. I will document on the user guide that I will make for this new version of my script. So on the first one, I will not show it right now. It doesn't have so many cents. It will be the classic FL controller. You will see all in the documentation how you can use this program here. This program is intended for people who wants to use the Akai Mini in a simple way. So everything is simple here, straightforward, no complications, no advanced controlling, just a pure FL controller. Then on second path, I make what I call the FL mixer 8 channels, and as it says, straightforward, is a mixer. It's an 8-channel mixer. So all of these knobs will be made of for controlling the mixer directly. Great, right? What we will have on the CC controls, it will be a shortcut for mute the different channels on the mixer. Great, right? So moving on. This is the most interesting one. It's the third one on the top. It's FL Creative, and this is where I spend a lot of time. I dedicated everything here. So this will be the advanced control for FL Studio, not the definitive version. I will make future releases, and FL Creative will be the program most advanced with more features. You can control everything on FL Studio with just this program, and it's intuitive. It's a little bit complex, of course, because it can do many things, so you will need to get used to it. Obviously, I will also post the documentation on how to use it, and I will maintain it for future releases. What can we do? We can go to the different channel racks with this knob. We can go to the different mixer channels with these knobs, with this knob here, and with this knob we can control the browser. But now how it works together. So if I am on the browser, I can use this button for enter, and the same will apply to the other views. So if I am in here and I press this button, it will do the function of enter, which in the channel rack will show the playlist. Great, right? But if I press this button here, hey, I am seeing what it's inside. So I am seeing this current channel rack, and this will apply to all. And if I load a new plugin, and I will do this now, I'm gonna press this button and I go to the context menu on the top. I can go here and use left, right. This is left, right. This is up, down. And no, I don't want an effect. Let me load Citrus, for example. here we have citrus. We can close it, show it, close it, show it. What else can we do? Well, we can also go to program change, bank B, and we can change the color of this. And we can do the same on the mixer. Hey, I want this color here. Now I have this plugin in the red color. It's supposed to be on insert 1. So let me go to this plugin that I just loaded, and with this knob let me change it to the mixer track of insert 1. That's great, right? Without using the mouse you can also change the effect insert that you wanna select for this channel rack. Great. I'm gonna color this blue, I'm gonna color this yellow, I'm gonna color this green. You can also do more colors here. You can put 8 colors. Awesome, right? So what else can we do? If you are in the channel rack or if you are in the mixer, we will have similar controls. So using these 3 knobs here, we can change volume, pan, or pitch or tempo. So in the case right now I am in the channel rack. With this knob I can change the volume of the channel rack. I can change the pan of the channel rack. And notice here, check here, I can also change the pitch of the channel rack. So I am changing the pitch of this. You have seen how I changed the pitch. Great, right? Now if I am on the mixer, I will be able to do more or less what is applicable here. So volume, panning, and in this case, as we don't have pitch on the channels, what I can change is the tempo of the song. So I am changing the tempo of the whole song here with this knob, and this is only happening if I am focusing the mixer rack. Great. So that was so good, right? What else can we do? So remember, with this button we can open the context menu and navigate to open different plugins. And my advice here will be, if you want to do this with the mixer, you can do it. First select one mixer track and then click this button again. It will go again to the context menu and you will be able to add an effect. So for example, I want to load a delay here. There you go, I have a delay. This will be really good because you will be able to load effects without using the mouse, load instrument generators, samples without using the mouse again, and you can also do it from here. So you have 2 ways. You can navigate here the browser. For example, we can say we want to load a synth classic. With this button here we will be able to we will be able to open this in a new channel or to the selected channel. Open new channel. In this case I don't like this color, let me change it. So this is really great to start building your songs without having the need of using the mouse at all. Okay, so what else is pending to be shown? If I go to control change and on bank B, and let's say here I have a melody, I don't have any melody, but let me open the piano roll here and put some random stuff. Okay, great. Now if I am on bank B, I will be able to use copy paste from here. So let's say, for example, I want to copy this in here, and in here, for example, why not? What it will do, this button here, I will be able to select all the channels, and this is good. So if you are producing and you are having something solid on one pattern, you can select all, copy, hit this button to create a new pattern. Now I'm in pattern 2 and I can paste, and that's very good. Right now I have cloned a pattern from one to another, so this is good. So you can start building your song, create one pattern, then modify it, and then you can start building your progression in the playlist. While being on the playlist, I can use the transport controls. So that will be play, stop, record, record, and then we can jump from pattern to song. We can also do the wait, the countdown, loop record, all of that stuff here. Really great. So now let me jump back. So imagine the amount of combinations that you can do, because this contextual contextual button here will apply to all the views, and this button to show plugins will also apply to all the views. So look how much I can play with this. I can show, remove. If you start to know how to use it, you will be able to basically build your entire song without using a mouse. Open a new channel. Again, change the color. Oh no, change the color is bank B. Yeah. So what I was missing to say on program change, and now I make a mistake. On program change on bank A, you will be able to open directly the channel rack that you want, from channel 1 till channel 8. You can see how I'm opening here everything, so I can switch back, for example, to control change, close everything, you know. So on program change bank A, it's to focus a channel or a mixer channel. So if I'm on the mixer, I can also jump directly to whatever channel I want. In the case of selecting a channel having an effect, you have noticed here how it loaded the effect. So let me do that again. I can select channel 4, it goes to channel 4 and it opens what it has inside. Going back to system control, hitting the button here, I can maximize the mixer, or I can show the effect on the mixer, but I also can go again to the contextual menu, and yeah, you can see, you can even scroll through the different patterns here. I can go back to pattern 1. So imagine how many things you can do with this. You basically almost can say goodbye to your mouse. It's really complete, so you can access almost every single part of FL Studio: browser, channel, mixer, piano roll, playlist, and of course I'm planning to add many stuff here. So I hope you enjoy it, and of course if I missed to show anything on the video, which of course I did, I will include it under the documentation. And I just forgot, but I also included what it's the program for. It's FL Shorts, and what you can do with it. Let me go back to here. Let me put one plugin, not this one, Flex. Let me go again to program 4, FL Shorts. And we have shorts here. This is not done yet. This will be like a beta on the release, so it will be only for starting building. I'm thinking of how to build a short progression with different sets of different shorts that can be controlled from the knobs, and yeah, I'm thinking about how to do that. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope to do another one soon. See you.